Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Tesla. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on a daily time frame, let's go through the options again. First one is saying that we had an A, B, let me label that, A, B and C, and then another A, B, C, and then looking for a third leg here to link up with this first one. One scenario is this one where we have created WX and now looking for that wave Y in wave A of this wave Y of higher time frame of this intermediate. We have this as a WXY, then we would be looking for some kind of corrective pattern here on the wave B to link up this structure here to the C wave. We'll see how far that could go. The other scenario is that we had again another ABC or WXY, but in this one we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 coming down for this A wave. Then we would be looking for this B wave of larger scale and then again C wave. As this is a 5-way move, this whole structure of ABC would be considered as a zigzag. Then we have this kind of setup again with the A wave here instead of the W. In here we would have A, B and C. A bit wonky looking structure here, but it's still valid. Same B wave here, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking for the fifth here. Currently, again, if we are taking out these lows of around $620, we are looking for divergence on the RSI compared to price. Let's take a closer look at the local structures that we've had since the lows that we had on 25th of May. So this is the local bullish count in which we would have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We did have that divergence here in the 3rd and 5th, so it makes sense. 1 or A wave here, so we could be looking for wave 2 or wave B, in which we would have this as a W, X and then A, B and C into wave Y. Getting really close to the invalidation point or the lows that we established here. That was in the wrong place. So yeah, it does not really look too bullish. This overall structure is really weak towards the high side or high up, just because we had this very deep of a correction. If we are still wanting to look this as bullish, we would look this as 1, 2. This would be 3, 4 and 5. Again, we did have that divergence here on the third wave's substructures and in here as well, I think. It's not as clear though. Maybe we would need to go to a smaller time frame. Yeah, that is pretty much it. In here we would have this as either as an A, B and C, or this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 possibly, and then at that point again we would look for higher retracement and then back again downwards. At that point again we would be looking for this zigzag pattern to form. The bearish case on this one is saying that we had a W, X and Y into these highs of around $800, then again 1, 2 and another 1, 2. At this point again we would be really bearish, saying that we had the previous wave falls already completed up here, and then again 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't like about this, or what I don't like about this is the structure that we had here is larger than the higher degree of a wave structure. So this structure in price is larger than this one. Generally it is not, but again it is not too uncommon to have a lower degree wave be larger than this one or the higher degree wave. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, that brings us to the wave 1 of minuet, ABC here into wave 2, and then we would be looking for lower targets in price. Did I have any targets here? No, I don't. Let's take a look at where we could be expecting here. So 1.618 around $543 I am still on my shorts on Tesla at the moment, as it is looking very weak overall, as the rest of the markets are as well. Now, if we don't want to be playing either of these setups, there is always a triangle. This would definitely fit the idea of being a wave 4, in which we would be creating this structure that would shake out a lot of people and then getting to the E wave and then dumping downwards again for the last wave 5, or the C wave, I guess, if this is considered the B wave end. On lower time frame, I don't like this too much, as we have taken out new lows here on RSI. If we are going back towards the 2-hour time frame, we are still within this contracting pattern on RSI as well. Something like this here. Where do I start it? Probably here. On RSI, it is not as clear though, so yeah, that has to be kept in mind. Overall, it is still looking fine. If this indeed is a 5-way move here, as I mentioned before, we could be looking for higher reset on price before heading down for the D wave, so we can get a reset on RSI, so we don't break this higher time frame contracting pattern. But yeah, that is my expectations here on Tesla. I am still on short side and still looking for lower prices, as with everything else on the markets. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes on this, and link to my free Discord server in the description below if you want to join. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.